Let's get it, boys.
Mosey, you made this?
Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy L, and you feel me? Today I just wanted to make this video just to pretty much to say thank you, because the channel's doing so well. You know, I haven't posted in 3 months. I made a post 2 days ago, and right now, you know, we're just about to go to my YouTube studio, because, you know, we kind of reached some benchmarks. We're about to reach the 100 subscriber benchmark. Went up 11 in the past 28 days, which is not bad, because I haven't posted in 3 months. Everything is up. 24%, 26, 462, 327, 1,000+% watch time hours for my last video, which came out a day ago. Everything is just going up. We have 60,000 watch time hours. That's crazy. You know, obviously I'm not getting any revenue because I haven't got it monetized yet, but everything's just doing so well. You know, I just want to say thank y'all, because y'all don't have to watch the videos, but y'all do anyways, leaving likes, everything. But we've also, hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. Go to YouTube, Biker Boy L. Click on my channel, right? Go to videos, and then if you sort by most popular, we had a video reach 1.3k views, another one reached 1.2, another one for 1.2, and another one for 1.2. So we reached the 1,000 views benchmark. You know, we went over, so that's like a really good thing. And ignore all this because yeah. But you know, I just want to say thank y'all. The videos are doing extremely well, like way better than I thought they would be doing on this channel. Like, I have a gaming channel, and the videos up here do way more better. Way more better. They do way better than my gaming one. So just want to say thank y'all. Keep subscribing, keep liking, keep sharing, keep doing whatever, because it is really helping me out. And I'm like thankful that, you know, I get views on my videos and people are actually enjoying them, watching them. Ignore my messy bed. That's my dog Blue in the background, you see her. But yeah, keep doing what y'all doing. Thank you. We about to reach 100 subs. I'm trying to think what I want to do for 100 subs. Do I want to do something special, like a giveaway or something? I don't know. But 100 subs on the way. Pretty sure I can hit that before my birthday for sure, if I just keep uploading. And then we have videos reach over 1,000 views. Let's see if we can reach 2,000 views on those videos. Shit, we might have a video reach 10,000 views. Never know. But, you know, I'm just going to keep uploading. I just want to say thank y'all for keeping it real, liking your boy, subscribing to your boy, all that. So, y'all have a good one.